This tea is pronounced rooibos and it means red bush in the Afrikaans language. I've always loved tea, and one day I was searching for some new tea to try on David Tea's website, and I read that rooibos tea had good health benefits. It's rich in antioxidants and electrolytes. I really love that it contains zero caffeine, so I can drink it any time of the day and feel energetic without it keeping me up at night. I drink it hot and cold, but I prefer to drink it hot. It keeps my body cool when I drink it cold, like iced tea. This black tea alternative is naturally sweet, but I add sugar and some cream to it and it tastes delicious. It tastes like natural raw honey with herbal highlights. Rooibos looks like cut tobacco leaves. When you steep it, it turns into a beautiful reddish golden color. There exists green rooibos, but I didn't try it yet, but I will. Did you try it? Let me know in the comment section. This caffeine-free tea is so soothing and smells great. I encouraged people to taste this South African rooibos and they told me that they really enjoyed it. I bought another kind of rooibos tea and I'm gonna make a video about it, so stay tuned for that. If you have any questions, please leave a comment and I'll do my best to answer it. And also feel free to comment about your experience with this tea. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Have a wonderful day.